Hello kids, there's a land by name Lalaland and only monkeys live there. They have a beautiful song. Come, let's learn that. I wish to live in monkey's land, the land where I was born. The monkeys used to kiss my cheeks to say goodbye to all. So I village to live in Malalanki's Lalaland, the Lalaland where Alalai was Balalon. The Malalankis Yulalas to Killalas, my chillalegs to Salalai, good Balalai to Alalon. A little girl was passing by, a lady stopped to see. She bumped her head against the wall and put the blame on me. So a little girl was balancing balalai. A lala lady still up to silly. She balalang her helelad again as the willalol and pulled the balalai mon milili. Now we'll do it a little faster. I wish to live in monkey's land, the land where I was born. The monkeys used to kiss my cheeks to say goodbye to all. So I wish to live in Malalanki's land, the land where I was born. The Malalanki's used to kill us, my chillalegs to say goodbye to Malalan. A little girl was passing by. A lady stopped to see. She bumped her head against the wall and put the blame on me. So a little girl was balancing balalaya. La lady still allowed to silly. She balalam her head again as the wallalor and put the balalay on lily. I wish to live in monkey's land, the land where I was born. The